This is the BISSELL HydroWave. This compact carpet cleaner removes dirt from deep in the carpet fibres. I'm going to show you how to assemble your HydroWave so it's ready to use. Let's get it unpacked. Your HydroWave comes mostly assembled. It will come with your clean water tank already in place, your handle, your storage and cleaning tray, a cleaning implement to clean the front of your machine, and your carpet cleaning formula. To put the handle in place, you'll need to take off the water tank, and it simply clicks into place. If you want to ever remove the handle, you'll just need to stick a pen or a screwdriver in there and it comes off. There's also a button here, which means that you can extend the handle to the desired height that you'd want. Then once you've filled your clean water tank, you can click this into place too. And it also comes with a very handy cable tidy. Okay, now we're going to take our storage and cleaning tray and place our machine onto the tray, and there we go.